So now that you know your way around Google Sheets, the big question is, how do you actually start a new spreadsheet? Well, good news, it's super easy. I'll show you 2 ways to do it. First up, the blank option. When you are on the Sheets homepage, that's the sheets.google.com, you'll see this big white box with a plus sign that says blank. Just click it and you have got a fresh spreadsheet ready to go. But maybe you don't want to start from scratch every single time. This is where the templates save the day. Right next to the blank option, you'll see the template gallery here. Click that and you'll see a bunch of ready-made designs for things like budgets, to-do lists, schedules, and even invoices. Just pick one. For example, let me pick the to-do list template. You just pick one and it instantly sets it up. You only need to customize it with your own data, like the names and everything, but the data itself is very good. So here's the trick. If you just need a quick clean sheet, go blank. But if you want to save time and get a head start, the templates are a lifesaver. And that's it. 2 simple ways to start a spreadsheet in Google Sheets. If you found this helpful, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, because tomorrow I'll show you how to actually enter some data and bring the spreadsheet to life.